Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stampin' Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today's video is going to be a little different. You see this huge box sitting here. This is actually a box for OnStage at home with Stampin' Up. OnStage is an annual conference that Stampin' Up holds for all of us demonstrators to get some business training and to see all the new products that are going to be coming up soon. But because of the coronavirus, we can't do it. So we're doing OnStage at home. So it's going to be online. And we usually get like a big package of products when we get there. They give us a little bag and all these free stuff like stamps and everything. So they sent us a box. It's called a swag box. And I'm so excited. I'm opening it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it up. And it's pretty big, so I'm going to have to move it to the side and get stuff in and out of it, okay? So let's go. Let's see what we have. Oh my. Okay, so we can see it's a bag right on top and a note from Sarah Douglas. Hello, I'm so excited for OnStage at home. I can't wait to virtually meet up with you and thousands of other demonstrators as we inspire each other, learn, and let's not forget, see lots of sneak peeks from the January-June mini catalog and celebration brochures. Woohoo! That's exactly how I feel. Celebration. I forgot that's coming up. Okay, let's go in. Let's see what we have. So this is our bag. Oh, wow, it's big. Can you see this? It's a big bag. Let's see what's here at the bottom. Oh, it's like a cooler or something because you can pack stuff in at the bottom. The zippers. Let's see. I don't know what all you're going to see. Oh, there's goodies inside. Enjoy the Moment stamp set. It's a cling stamp. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, I don't know where the camera is because oh, and look, we got a little pins, because we usually get pins when we go to OnStage to add to a little lanyard we get. What is this? Is this an ink pen? It says Stampin' Up. It's pink. A pink box. Let's see. Yes, it's an ink pen. Or is that a pencil? Nope, it's a pen with different colors. And I've never seen anything like that before. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, that's what was in the bag. So let's move that out of the way. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a little package of notebooks, looks like. Because we usually do get a notepad, like to take notes and stuff during the training time. Oh, look at this, little stickers. Flamingo, that's perfect for Florida. Dragonflies, butterflies, ice cream. Oh yes, it's just a little notebook. Okay, cute. And we usually, whatever this is decorated in, we usually have something like paper that will come in this design too. So, oh, what is this? Oh, wow, is this like the mat that I use? Look, little kissies. Like this mat. So maybe that's what this is. Or is this paper? Is this grid paper? Oh my goodness, I'm too excited. Let's open it and see what it is. It might be a little stack of grid paper. Yes, it's grid paper. Oh my. This is so nice. So it's decorative grid paper. This is the theme of the OnStage event. As you can see, most of the things has the little stripes on it, including the bag. So that is it. I just wanted to open that box on video because I was so excited to get it. guys, you can be a part of this if you want. Whenever you become a demonstrator, you are privy to a lot of extras. So like, we're going to get to order out of the new catalog that starts in January. We're going to be able to order out of that in what, about 2 weeks, because we are attending on stage. So even as a demonstrator, if you don't attend on stage, you can't order it. But because we're attending on stage, we get to order stuff ahead of time, like a pre-order. Awesomeness. So if you want to find out more information about becoming a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you can go to my blog, www.honeybeestampinhive.com, and I have information there. It's something that says join my team, or you can email me with any questions that you might have. I would love to welcome you as a Hiver. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.